Hello and welcome to another video about my 3D printer. This time with another update. Surprise, surprise. Um, you might notice the really low clearance between the bed and the print head. This is because I attempted to replace my nozzle on the old print head and I broke it. Not because I'm clumsy or anything, but because it's bad construction. So the print head is made out of the heater, a temperature sensor, right? And a metal part, where that metal part was made so bad that when I attempted to release the nozzle, it just broke. So I had to change it, which is a good thing actually. You can't see right now, but the old metal part was insulated with that stuff you put in walls, fiberglass and some plastic sheet. This one actually has a silicone mold, which is quite nice because I think it works better. Um, the the low distance between the print head and the bed is due to the new nozzle being really tiny. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So far so good. I'm printing a logo for some friends of mine. They're called Liquicent. I printed another one with the old nozzle, and it took a while, honestly, to get to this result. Now this one, hopefully, it's this is the first try and it's working. Also, I kind of lost faith in the Ultra base, but now I'm gaining faith again. Apparently nozzles get clogged up, and when they do, the filament doesn't go straight down, it goes like on an angle, and that's a problem because then it doesn't stick to the bed. Now fingers crossed it does stick now, and it worked. What I've noticed about the Ultra base is, just like the other base I had, you level the bed, right? Everything's okay in the edges, on the edges, and in the middle is slightly down, man, which is fucking annoying because you can't really print in the middle because the filament doesn't stick because the distance is too big. Now I'm not sure if this is something that this printer does. It curves the glass. Can you curve glass? I don't think you can. Not on 60 degrees. It's set to 60 degrees now, uh, heated bed temperature. So I don't know, I might try to buy another Ultra base, who knows. But before that, you see these clips right here, these pieces of that always get in the way. They always get in the way. So I've seen this YouTube clip where this guy had some silicone, you know, that thing that you put on GPUs, that strip, the silicone strip. So I did find such things, and I'm gonna get a number of 9 of them so I can cover all this heat bed and hopefully lose these fucking clips that are always in the way. Now I'll keep you posted, but so far so good. I'm not sure if I have an audience, but if I do, I love you guys. Keep doing whatever it is that you like doing. Fuck the rest. Alright, see you.